Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to see your Instagram password if you forgot it. First of all, open Instagram on Chrome. For that, open Chrome browser and search for Instagram. The search results will appear. Do not tap on the link directly as it will automatically open the Instagram application. Instead, long press on the link. Few options will appear. Tap on the option Open in New tab. Next, tap on the tabs icon from the top and select the tab where Instagram is running. Here, tap on the login option. On the next screen, you will see fields to enter your username and password. Tap on the field. If your Instagram username and password are saved in your Google account, you will see a suggestion or the key icon near the keypad. Tap on it. This method works only if you previously saved your password in your Google account. If your credentials are saved, select the show option next to the password and it will become visible. But if you haven't saved the password on your Google account, then here's an alternative method for you. Open Google and navigate to its home screen. Tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. Then tap on Manage your Google account. Next, your Google account will open. At the top, swipe right and tap on the security option. On the next screen, scroll to the bottom. Under the password manager, tap on the Manage Passwords option. Now look for the Instagram application, or you can also search for it here. Tap on it. Your Instagram account details will appear, including your username and password. Tap on the show icon available in front of the password. It will become visible and you will be able to see it here. And this is how you can see your Instagram password if you forgot it.